What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video we're going to be going over a tutorial on how to move your coins over to MetaMask if that is something you would like to do. If you guys do not already know, in order to take part in Shiba Swap, as of right now, they talked about adding Trust Wallet, but as of right now, the only way to be able to take part in Shiba Swap and to transfer your coins onto Shiba Swap is going to be by connecting your MetaMask account. So if you guys do not have a MetaMask wallet, this is how you're going to get it and add your Shiba Inu coins to MetaMask. Before getting into today's video, I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting me and helping me out on this channel. If you guys are looking for a place to buy crypto or buy Shiba coin specifically, go ahead and go on over to crypto.com using the link in the description as a referral code, and you will get a free $25, and so will I, to invest into any crypto as you choose. If that were Shib coin, you would get around, I think, a little over 3 million Shib coin now. So 3 million Shib coin for free. I think it's a no-brainer. Anyhow, go ahead and check that out if you guys are interested. And also, we have a Discord link in the description, so if you guys would like to interact with me personally and just join the community even further, go down there and join the community. I want to thank you guys so much for the support. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing, smashing that like button, leaving me comments, turning on post notifications. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so hopping over to MetaMask. So I've already created an account, as you can see, where it just shows up here, and you can see I've already added Shib as well. So this is actually very simple. Like I said, a lot of people don't know how to do it, and it was a little confusing for me at first because I just never done it before, but now that I know how to do it, it's actually really simple. So go to add token. So when you first open it up, you will see just Ethereum, and you'll see you have nothing, right? So then you want to go to add token, okay? Then you want to go to custom token, and then it says token contract address. Now, to do this, I didn't know what it was at first, but then I was like, that's got to be somewhere. I know, let me take a look. I feel like I've seen it before. So I went over to, I believe it was CoinMarketCap. Well, or you could go over here to Etherscan as well. So CoinMarketCap also has it, so I'll show you guys over there as well. CoinMarketCap. And if we scroll down, overall market's doing pretty good today, by the way. We're up quite a bit. On the day of this recording, we launched on Coinbase, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, over here to Shib, right? Shiba coin, Shiba Inu. So clicking on that, and you see right here, contracts. All you have to do is click on this, okay? It takes you over to here anyhow. And then you take this, and you want to copy it to copy address. Then you go on over back to MetaMask, and then all you do is you paste it. And see, it says token has already been added, but once you paste that, it'll automatically put in the symbol and already put in the decimals. And then all you have to do is press next, and it will be here on your wallet. So also, what you're gonna wanna need to do is to not send, but you want to, if you wanted to add your Shib coin, right? What you would wanna do is take this address, your account, right? Your copy this, and if you can't copy it, let me see if you can go to account details here. Okay, so if you cannot copy this and paste it directly on whatever you're doing, so like for me, I was on crypto.com, and that only works through the app, so I had to use it on my phone. So what I did was I typed it in manually. Just type in this account number, and that's how you will be able to send over your coins. So you type in your account number over on the app. So actually, why don't I hop on my app right now and show you what that is like for you guys, so that you guys can get an actual representation of what you would be doing. So I will see you on my phone right now. Okay guys, so I am now on my cell phone here, screen recording, and we're going to click on crypto.com. And I have already transferred my coins, obviously. So this is not going to show my, so see, it took all of it out of it. But anyhow, if you wanted to, you would go over to account. Then you would go to wallet. Right now I have some Dogecoin, actually, but you would have Shib there. Here, so let me go here. So I'm going to use it with Doge, for instance, but in actuality, I'm using it for Shib. This is what you would do. So you would go to withdrawal, and you would take your withdrawal, and you would go to external wallet. Then you would click add wallet address, and then you would go to that account, right? So then you would take in, so what I call mine is MetaMask, and the actual code, you would type in the address, or if you have if you have your MetaMask, you can use the digital thing and take a picture of it. So let me pull it up on my computer real quick. Okay, so as you can see, I pulled up the code and oh, it automatically put it in. But I want to show you guys on here first. So let me show you how this is done. So add wallet. I'm going to nickname it MetaMask so I know where I'm sending it. Then I would go on here. So as you can see here, all I'm doing is going over to this top right hand corner, account details, and then there's the code, and it automatically puts you in, right? So now you've already got your wallet in there. Boom. Now you would press continue and you would send over. See, I didn't actually do it and I didn't set it up as a Doge wallet, but it's just Shib and Ethereum right now. But anyway, you get the gist. That's pretty much all it is. It's very simple. I'm sure, I don't know what it's like on other platforms, but for me, that's how you would use it with crypto.com, and that's the network that I know best. Like I said, I have an affiliate link with them, so if you guys do not have it and would like to use it, sign up using my referral in the link below, and you will be able to transfer your funds very easily and follow these steps because that's how I know how to do it. So very simple to set up your MetaMask wallet, and that's how you add Shib to your list of things on your account, on your MetaMask account. That's pretty much it for the video. I'm not going to drag you guys along any more than you've already stayed here. I really appreciate all your support. If you guys enjoyed the video, please go down and smash that like button. Leave me a comment letting me know what other content you guys would like to see from me. And I appreciate each and every one of you for supporting me. Like I said, also you can join the Discord in the description if you guys would like to have a more of a personal chat or connection with me and other people in the community. Like I said, there's lots of smart people and great minds inside that community that will keep you up to date on all things Shiba Inu, cryptocurrency, stocks, and all types of stuff. So you can meet some really cool people there. And that kind of leads me into my supportive, happy thing or positive comment of the day being like, if you guys don't have somewhere to talk about these type of things like stocks and finance, and everyone that is hopefully researching this stuff and getting into finance early, like I got in very early at like around 18, 17 years old, any other people who are young, I encourage you guys to join Discords, not just mine, but mine and other communities that talk about these things, because it's really important to be able to be around like-minded people and help build you up. Because I know what it's like to be the light for everybody, and you shouldn't always be the smartest person in the room. And as soon as I stopped hanging around the people who weren't, and stopped like building people up so much, not that I still don't help people as much as I possibly can, but I started to surround myself with people who could also help me. Because even though we're supposed to be lights, we're supposed to be good people, good Samaritans, whatever you want to call it, also, it's not fair that we are always the people enlightening others or teaching others. We should be taught as well. So join the community, join other communities, get around as many great people as possible, and it will benefit you in the long run. Okay, seriously, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace!